Here.
And to continue, ma'am, commonly called as the Indian House. Ito po sila, ma'am, yung 15. Job of the schoolhouse, ma'am. This is much bigger, and it is equipped or provided with septic tank and one toilet for each schoolhouse. House, Florida Blanca, Guagua, will be treated about 900 households.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Hindi lamang po sa bayan ng Lubao, kung hindi po
palit ng baril at sa pagbabalik ng ating mga kapatid.
M16 rifle. Lazaro Centeno. Ng Porac, Pampanga, isang M, isang Garand. Romulo Esperta ng Orani, Bataan, isang 12 gauge.
Ikaw taga-Porac ka, no? Sapang uwak. Neto ang tubod talanda ka. At ingasawa, wala na.
buri ko pong bidinan ko pong masanting at kabiyayan ng pamilya.
Limang anak. Mga Evangeline, 19 years old na, at metong bang...
Yung lugar yun, uling ko po talaga bisyan Duque Garela. Pero kontak ko lang po kay
Ma'am, they are supposed to be turned over later for destruction, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And it appears to be mainstream.
So, do you have a destruction ceremony or they're just destroyed where will you bring them and where will they be destroyed?
It depends, ma'am. If we are going to choose a certain area that we do project. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nakalasalamat ka at good luck ka. Good luck. Ngayon, 1996, uli na problema ng pinatubo.
Po, ikayo po mismo tatandaan niyo pa po na ikayong bigotor kaya Indigenous People's Rights Act. Nakipakabang panahon na lang.
All to the cold. Sige, okay. Nakalasalamat, ha?
Salamat po rin po.
Ikaw pala, metong ka rin, big shot ban, mawala na insurgency kikatamo.
So, Wenceslao Village, San Roque.